My name is Alaye Erebe from Rivers State, and I just want to talk a little bit about my life to the youths here. I used to be a student senior leader while I was in school in University of Port Harcourt some 18 years ago, and I used to head the secret cult in school. I used to be very notorious, like what you guys will call hard man today. I did that for quite some time and got disowned by my parents because I happened to be the first son, but God delivered me out of the cult. I got born again in 1995 and I left the secret cult called the Vikings, and since then I've been going around schools in Nigeria preaching the same gospel of peace, because when there is peace you have no need to fight. Let me tell you one thing you don't know, youths. Every violent act you take draws you 10 steps backward your life. And I'm here to tell you, and I'm here to encourage you, that no matter where you're from, no matter the family that gave back to you, you're in the best place on the face of the earth. You are only a product of what you think. It is high time that we, the youths of Nigeria, it is high time we change our thinking. It is high time we start living for right. From the day I made a U-turn from the cult, as an head of the cult, it's never been the same. My life has been beautiful. I go around schools and I want to enjoy you today, that you can do the same and even do better than I do today. I never knew I could stand here in front of you to address you great youths today. But by the grace of God, I'm standing here and I'm telling you, you have an opportunity to serve the country. Like I said, you are only a product of what you think. Don't let anybody tell you you cannot make it in life. Don't let anybody despise your youth. Don't let anybody bring you down by ways of convincing you to carry arms. When you start carrying guns and machetes, you only look like a hunter in the bush. You are not born to be a hunter, but rather you're born to declare the glory of God. So I'm encouraging you, youths of Nigeria, I'm encouraging you today. For those of you that are still in culture, you have an opportunity to get out of there and join the First Lady. Let's all come together. Let's all come together and make Nigeria what we want it to be. It is in the hands of you and I. We are not just the leaders of tomorrow, we are the leaders of today. Because we are the ones that will decide who will rule us and who will not rule us. That makes us the leaders of today. So come join me. Let's go around the universities in Nigeria. Preach this gospel of peace. Let's go around the states. Preach this gospel of peace. Let's go around all the polytechnics and CEOs. Preach the same gospel. I'm telling you, if the youth can stand up to do right and the right thing, change their thinking, they will be better and this society will be great. God bless you all, because I know somebody's listening and somebody's life is being transformed today. I'm a testimony, and today I live to declare the goodness of God. Thank you very much.